Hi, my name is Matin and welcome to another Quay construction video. Summer's finally here in Vancouver and we are ecstatic to be taking you guys through our latest sub-penthouse renovation project that we did here in West End in downtown Vancouver. So without further ado, let's head upstairs, check out how everything turned out. When we met our clients here last year, their three main pain points with their old unit were the tiny, awkward entry closet, lack of sufficient lighting throughout the space, as well as a general lack of adequate storage in the entire condo. We started off by reimagining their entry area by converting the entry closet into an entry landing area with an art display wall and a directional light to feature that artwork. Changed the lighting throughout the space, added a combination of recessed lighting, pendant lights on dimmers, as well as some directional lighting for some feature walls where more art's going to be displayed throughout. And lastly, we reimagined the storage throughout the entire unit by building custom millwork in the kitchen, laundry, as well as the master ensuite to meet our clients' storage needs perfectly. Thanks for joining us on this post-construction walkthrough. We hope you've enjoyed this transformation. If you'd like to see more post-construction content of projects completed in Vancouver, subscribe to us on YouTube, or if you'd like to see how these projects get built, please consider following us on Instagram, where we share daily updates of our projects. And if you have a project of your own that you'd like to discuss with us, you can reach out to us via phone at 778-697-9924 or by email at info@quayconstruction.ca. Thanks again and catch you on the next one.